at last.
Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin smooth love portion. Right now, we're deep in the crypto bear market. Altcoins have been dumping aggressively to goblin town. The last 1 month has seen smooth love portion lose around 16% of its value. The last 1 year have seen it dump by more than 61%. We're seeing some signs of life in the altcoin market, so we might just be getting ready for one big pump to the upside. Smooth love portion is currently going through its first full crypto bear market, and in this bear market, we have seen smooth love portion lose more than 99% of its value. Is the bottom in for smooth love portion? Are we gearing up to start pumping to higher prices? We're also going to be looking at smooth love portion's performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum, and we'll finally look at smooth love portion's market cap. Sitting at the $85 million level, can we see the market cap pumping to higher prices, probably breaking to new all-time highs in the next few weeks? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Coin market is showing us some signs of life on a daily time frame. Is the bear market bottom in for smooth love portion? Smooth love portion has been dumping aggressively to goblin town in its first full crypto bear market. We've seen it dump to as low as the $0.002 region. Hopefully, that will be the bear market bottom and we'll start our huge pump to the upside. But guys, it has been a very long and boring bear market. Smooth love portion has lost around 99% of its value in its first full crypto bear market. We've seen this altcoin undergoing accumulation over the last 1 year. Is that accumulation done? Are we gearing up to start pumping to the upside? The previous bear market saw a lot of altcoins spend 800 plus days in accumulation. Right now, smooth love portion has spent more than 400 days deep in bear market accumulation. And in total, since July of 2022, since April of 2021, smooth love portion has spent around 775 days deep in this crypto bear market. So even though the bear market can be boring, even though the bear market can be very torturous, I believe we are getting to the end of this bear market. The end of the bear market is near, and only those who are accumulating deep in the bear market are going to get those huge pumps to the upside in the nearest future. Smooth love portion with a market capitalization of $85 million have a lot of hidden potentials in it. For us to rally to the $0.011 level, smooth love portion will have to give us a 400% pump to the upside. Knowing how volatile altcoins can be, that rally can happen very quickly. But guys, we have to blast above that $0.0059 region for the first time since March of 2022. We saw smooth love portion going below the $0.0059 level in April of 2022. And ever since then, we have not traded above that price region. Ever since then, we have been slowly dumping to goblin town. If we can rally above that $0.011 level, another key level where I believe a lot of investors might take some profits off the table might be around the $0.028 region. Because if we pump to that level, smooth love portion would have given us around the 800% plus pump to the upside. Smooth love portion would have been up around 1,300% from the bottom. And at that level, I think some smart investors will be taking some profits off the table. Guys, we're deep in the crypto bear market. A lot of altcoins are down, not just smooth love portion alone. And deep in the bear market is where you want to accumulate these altcoins. Deep in the bear market, altcoins are down 90+%, and there's extreme fear in the market, but smart investors accumulate deep in the bear market. So when the bull run comes around, you'll be selling for some nice profit in the bear market. You get your first 10x, 20x, even your first 50x coin that will pump to the moon. If you see smooth love portion pumping back to the previous all-time highs, from where we're currently trading right now, you'll be in for some wild ride to the upside. Smooth love portion going back to its previous all-time highs around the $0.37 region. We see it rallying up by more than 180x to the upside. It can happen very well, but the bull market will have to come. We'll have to see the market very bullish for that to happen. Right now, we're in the bear market. We're currently going through accumulation. Deep in the bear market, guys, you get good value for your money, but one mistake to avoid in this bear market is going all in too quickly. A lot of smart investors go all in too quickly, and the altcoin market can be very, very volatile. Altcoins are known to be very, very volatile in both directions. They are volatile to the upside when the market is bullish. They are volatile to the downside when the market is bearish. So if you see the market being bullish in the next few months, we can easily see a huge pump to the upside, but always keep it in the back of your mind that a huge dump can be around the corner. And if you don't have some capital on the side, you'll not be able to take advantage of those dumps when they come your way. Let's take a look at some key details about Smooth Love Portion, currently ranked 278 on CoinMarketCap. Smooth Love Portion has a fully diluted market cap of $85 million. Over 285,000 people have Smooth Love Portion on their watchlist on CoinMarketCap. If you want to get some Smooth Love Portion for yourself, deep in the bear market, getting ready for the next crypto bull run, you can get some on Binance, on Qcoin, on Gemini, on SushiSwap, on OKX, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins. If you take a look at Smooth Love Portion performance against Bitcoin, it's deep down in Goblin Town, currently at a new all-time low. I'll not be shocked to see us having a 500 or a 6% or a 600% rally to the upside against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Smooth Love Portion has basically been in a down-only motion against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Guys, we've seen this happen in the altcoin market a lot of times. How this will end, we can easily see a big long green dildo to the upside, catching a lot of people off guard, and then people will start flipping their Bitcoin and Ethereum back into Smooth Love Portion, and that might just be the end of the rally. You want to buy these altcoins when nobody wants them, and when the whole crowd wants to buy them and everybody's shouting we're going to the moon, that's where you want to sell for some nice sweet profit. They're spraying the cryptocurrency market right now, which might be a good sign if you're a long-term investor. You always want to buy fear and you always want to sell extreme greed. On a monthly time frame, we're heading towards that altcoin month. We've not seen altcoins have a shine in their market since July of 2022. So that might just be coming in the next few weeks. On the seasonal time frame, we're heavily in the Bitcoin season. In the past, Bitcoin season has been a good time to accumulate altcoins. In the past, Bitcoin season has always been a clear indication that altcoin season might be coming in the next few months. We saw us heavily in the Bitcoin season in November of 2020. That led to a wonderful, wonderful altcoins season in April, February, and January of 2021. So maybe just maybe the next 3 months, we might see altcoins pumping aggressively to the upside, which might in turn see Smooth Love Portion having that wonderful bear market alt season we've been talking about. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Do you think the bottom is in for SLP right now? Do you see SLP attempting to pump to higher prices in the next few weeks? Are you still buying more for yourself right now deep in the bear market? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications, get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember guys, invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.